factorize this particular expression. So it's 2x square plus 1y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8 xz. It is weird, I'll agree. It's not an easy question. So I'm not asking you guys to pause. I'll show the answer. First thing is, we know that there's no hidden thing. It is related to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. So basically a plus b plus c the whole square is your formula. So with the help of that formula, we'll be able to get a factored form of this particular expression. That is, factored form means what? Product of two simplest expression. In this case, it will be 2. So how do we go about doing it? Before I spoke about expressing the square terms in terms of their square, but here there is no square terms other than 1. This is not a square of any integer. This 2 is not a square of any integer. So how do we go about? Well, we need to writing in terms of squares. That is, we'll express this and this in terms of square. How? Well, there is a way out. I can write 2 as root 2 the whole square. Make sense? And 8 as root 8 the whole square. Make sense, right? Root 10 square gets cancelled and you get back that. Now let's further simplify this. Root 8 can be written as root 4 into root 2 the whole square, and root 4 is 2 root 2 the whole square, and so you have a simpler expression. And now you can rewrite the question as root 2 into x the whole square plus y square plus 8. In place of 8, I'll write it as 2 root 2 z the whole square. Okay, and then copy the rest of the question so that we can take a breather. Now, so this is done. What is the next step? Next step, we generally go with regrouping. Second step is regrouping. So whenever you have a negative term, check which variable is common in both of it. So x is common. These are the negative 2 terms and x is common. So we can rewrite this entire expression as minus root 2 x the whole square plus y square plus 2 root 2 z the whole square. And now the trick here is writing it as 2 into a into b plus 2 into, right? So always cross verify. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2, x into y is xy. Correct. Again plus 2 b c. 2 into 2 is 4 root 2, 4 root 2, and everything else is okay. Plus 2 a c. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into 2 is 4, root 2 into root 2 is 2, 4 into 2 is 8. Correct. Z and x, z and x. And we have the right expression. Now we can write the identity. So the identity which we are using is a plus b plus c the whole square, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ca plus 2bc. And thus we can rewrite this particular expression as minus root of 2 into x plus 1y plus 2 root 2z the whole square. So you can rewrite in this form, and that's your answer. Okay, So the confusing part for quite a few is this. It's not hard, provided you learn the basics first, and everything else is the same way, systematic approach, and you get the answer. Okay, this is one of the tough questions that my students, that they tell it's tough because there is roots and everything. But yes, if you are able to do this part, everything else is just rewriting and the same process, and there's nothing new, to be frank. Okay, so keep this in mind. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. There are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.